Hello everyone and welcome to Pathshala. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add two index data or concatenate two index data into another index. So let's get started. Here in this column 1 we have data, and in column 2 we have another data. What we're going to do, we're going to add this two data into this index. So to do that, we need to select that index. We selected that index. Now we will go to the formula bar. In here in the formula bar, we will put equal sign. In Microsoft Excel, before writing any formula, you need to put an equal sign before them. So equal sign, then you have to click the first index, and then you need to put the and sign or ampersand, whatever you may call, and then you have to click on the next index. And if you hit enter, you will see that this column 1 data and column 2 data are added here in column 3. So this is the way you can add two index data. And there is another way you can write this formula into this in this index directly, but this is not a good practice. You should always write formula in the formula bar. Now I'm going to show you how you can apply this method into a large number of data. Here in column 1 we can see the country code, and in column 2 we can see some fake mobile numbers for the tutorial. Now I'm going to show you how you can apply the formula with this large number of data with just one click. So to do that, you need to add the top two index. So let's add the top two index. You can see that the top two index are added together in column 3. Now what you have to do, you have to go to the down right corner. If you go to the down right corner, you will find a plus sign, which is the thinner one. You will see two kind of plus sign, one is thick and one is thin. You need to find the thin one, and if you just double click here, you will see that the rest of the data are added automatically. But here's the problem. If you click in this data, you can see that instead of showing the data, it is showing the formula. So you must be wondering how to get rid of that. To get rid of this formula, you have to copy the whole data and paste it in the next column. So after pasting here, you will see a paste option in the bottom corner or top corner. Paste options, you will see the paste values 1 2 3. You have to click here. So what it will do, it will paste only the values, not the formula. So now you can see that if we click in this data, you can see that only data are stored in this cells, not formula. So this is looking a little messy. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut this column and paste it here. See, now it looks okay. So this is it. This is how you can add or concatenate two index data into another index, or you can apply that into a large number of data. That's all. I hope you enjoyed. If you enjoyed, please hit like and subscribe. Thank you.